Hey, what's up guys? Diego here. So today I have this 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Fairly certain it works with the regular Cherokees as well. These are just a little bit lifted. Point is, we're replacing this control arm back here because well, there's no spring right now, so you don't see any tension, but it should not be that loose. You can see there, I hope that the bushing on that one's intact, but as you can see here, the bushing has come out of its spot on this one. I'm trying to replace the control arm, but it seems that the engineers at Jeep really messed up on this one, because this could be a whole lot easier if they just had put the bolt in the other way, and I can't see any logical reason why they would put it this way, but I'm not an engineer, I'm a mechanic. So point is, I looked on Identifix and nobody's giving me a way to do it. I got a labor time of 2 hours. 2 hours? Yeah, 2 hours. And yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be more or less, but it's kind of frustrating at this point because it could be easier and it's not. So you're gonna start out by loosening the front and the rear mounting bolts. These are 18, this is a 19, 17, 15, one of those. And then you're gonna take out the sway bar link. Once you remove those two, you see it's loose, and you say, hey, that was easy, let's take this bolt out. Oh, really? Really, man? Couldn't you just put that bolt this way? Wouldn't that be like so much easier for everybody? And I really don't know what they were thinking. So I think well, hold on. To remove this spring, make sure you have a jack under here, and then you jack it up a little bit until the bolt, it's easy to remove by hand. And then once the bolt is easy to remove, lower the jack slowly. The spring does not have, it barely has any tension when it's here, like barely any. You can probably compress it by hand by that point, but just to be safe, lower it slowly, grab the spring like this. Doesn't work with every car, especially lifted cars, lifted Jeeps, lifted cars, anything that has been lifted, the tension's a lot more, so whatever. So now I'm thinking, what can I do to make this easy? And the only thing I can see is lifting up this differential right here. Thankfully, I don't think it's too bad. I'm thinking removing those two bolts up there, and that gives me about an inch, and then removing this bolt back here, and then just lifting like this. Hopefully the CVs can stabilize it and make it not fall, as well with the drive shaft, but I guess we'll have to see, really. So let's see what size that is. This top one's a 19. Is it? No, it's loose. It's an 18. 18, let's grab a 21. Pop. Pop. by hand from here on out. Okay, it's loose. Let's go to the front. Tell me why that was like that. Give me one good reason why that needed to be that difficult. Just put it in this way, bro. Just put it in fucking this way. Like, ridiculous. Ta-da! This.